Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off sound effect in Candy Crush Saga. To turn on and off the sound effects in Candy Crush Saga, follow these steps. Launch open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the home section, tap on the pink gear button, which is located at the bottom left or top right corner of the screen. Soon after you do that, in the settings panel, you will be able to see 3 different buttons at the very top. In order to turn off sound effects, make sure to tap on the music note icon and the speaker icon and make sure that they are crossed with a red line. Once you turn off both of these, speaker and the music note option, you will be able to turn off sound effect in Candy Crush Saga. Now if you ever want to switch on the sound effects, all you need to do is to press on that same 2 little buttons once again, and you will then be able to turn on the sound effect within the game. So that's how super easy it is. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.